If your Google Drive storage is full, even if it looks empty, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it on both a PC and a mobile phone. I'll walk you through how to free up Google Drive storage space in simple steps and avoid common mistakes along the way. So let's get started. First, make sure your connection is turned on. Then we're going to head over to a page called Google One. To do that, enter one.google.com. Press enter. Head over to this left side and select storage. Now you may not know this, but your Google Drive storage isn't just affected by the files you have in Google Drive. It is also affected by Gmail and Google Photos. So if your Google Drive looks empty and yet the storage is full, consider checking these other platforms. So to free up your storage space, first we're going to head over to Google Drive. Click on that and it will take you to a new page. Now on the Google Drive page, you'll notice your files are arranged from the largest to the smallest, making it easier for you to go through each file. Examine your files and delete any ones that aren't useful. If you have large files that are actually important to you, I recommend downloading them and backing them up on a hard drive, then delete them from here. Once you've done that, head over to the left side of the screen and select spam. I don't have anything here, but if you do, make sure to clear it all out. Head over to trash and delete any files you have here. Any files still in trash will take up space and affect your storage even though they've been deleted, so always make sure to empty your trash. Your Google Drive storage is full, but you don't see any files. It may be because you haven't emptied out your trash, so always make sure to do that. So we're done in Google Drive now. Cancel that, and next we're going to head over to Gmail, so click on it. Now there is an easy way to find your largest files in Gmail. In the search box, enter has attachment larger 10M and click enter. Here you see your largest files. Go through each one, select them and click on delete. If you want to select all your files, click on this and select all. Click on delete. Once you're done here, head back to your inbox. On the left side of your screen, click on more and select spam. Delete any files you have here. I don't have any. Then move over to trash. And as always, delete everything here. Any files in trash will still take up your space. Click empty trash now. Select OK. So we're done here now. Lastly, we're going to head over to Google Photos. So cancel Gmail. Click on Google Photos. So to help you save future storage space, head over to settings and click on that. And here you'll see the quality that your images are uploaded in. Select Storage Saver. This reduces the quality slightly. You may not notice the difference, but it will help you save a significant amount of space. Head over to the left side of the screen and click on Storage. Here you'll see how long it will take to fill up your storage. I don't have an estimate because I haven't uploaded consistently for a few months. And here you will see these categories: large photos and videos, blurry photos, unsupported videos. Go through each one and delete any unimportant files. If you have any important photos that are large, download them and back them up in an external drive. This next step will help you save a lot of space. Here you'll see convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver. Click on Learn More. This will compress your existing photos and videos to help you save a significant amount of space. Click on this checkbox that says I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undone. Then compress existing photos and videos. Compressing your files can take some hours. Cancel this. You don't have to leave it open. It will continue compressing in the background. But before you do that, head over to trash and delete anything you have here. And that is all you need to do when your Google Drive storage is full. If your Google Drive shared drive storage is full, follow these same steps to clear it up. However, if you don't have the access to delete some files, you'll need to request deletion from the other users. So next, I'm going to show you how to free up your storage on your mobile phone. First, make sure your internet connection is turned on. Then, head on over to Google Drive and open the app. If you don't have the app already, you need to download it from Google Play Store. Once you've done that, tap on the app to open it up. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the left corner of the screen. Then select Storage. Scroll down on the page, then tap on Clean Up Space. On this page, you'll see your files across the different platforms, Gmail, Photos, and Google Drive, broken into categories. Go through each of these categories and delete the files. Then, make sure to clear them from trash, because files in trash still take up space even though they've been deleted. If your Google Drive storage is full due to a WhatsApp backup, scroll down on the page and select WhatsApp. Now, tap on Delete Backup, and that's all you need to do. And that is what you need to do if your Google Drive storage is full on both your PC and mobile phone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or any tips you'd like to share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.